260, main individual separation to the southwest, wind 010 at 7, runway 25 right at Bravo 1, cleared for takeoff.
That's top, can we take Yankee Southwest 2577?
Southwest 577 approved, cross runway 1 and left at Bravo.
Yankee, cross zone, left at Bravo, ground Southwest 2577.
Southwest 466 as you roll out on final, there'll be a police helicopter 12 moving 1 o'clock at 2,600. Yeah, G site maintaining visual separation.
52, contact departure, have a safe flight.
Thank you,
Scott 6222 Las Vegas Tower, you're actually the number 2 float on there. You'll be after this next. Target 1795, turn right on the center taxiway, Alpha, hold short, runway 25 right at Alpha 3.
Right on the center taxiway, hold to the right at Alpha 3, American 1795.
Southwest 1095, actually got a lander on the intersecting, can't roll, so traffic will hold in position, cross runway 25 right, cutting ground point 1, company off the left, will give way to you.
Southwest 1095, clear cross 25.
Get 1856, disregard the visual, be just a moment for traffic landing the intersection.
American 1856.
Redwood 260, contact departure, have the same flight.
Redwood 260, a day.
American 1856, wind 0108, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
American 1856, 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Southwest 2786, Las Vegas Tower, runway 25 right, line up and wait, verify American departing inside.
Side, line up on way 25 right, Southwest 2786.
South, at the approach and cross runway 1 and right, taxi 2, runway 1 and left.
Las Vegas Tower, wind 010 at 7, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 25 left, Southwest 520. Left turn, whiskey, clear cross, 1 hour left, ground the other side, Southwest 466, open it.
You too. Airfield 2807, Las Vegas Tower, thank you.
Maintain visual separation with American, clear for takeoff, 25 right, Southwest 2786.
At 5 Las Vegas Tower, thank you. Turn your transponder on, please.
Agent 502 Las Vegas Tower, traffic downfield with a flow time. I got to get them rolling. You'll be number 2.
Agent 50.
Sky with 6222, runway 25 right at Alpha 2, line up and wait. American 1856, contact departure. Have a safe flight.
American 1856, thank you, good day.